See those brand new posts? Well, we need more than that. But in our, what used to be our feedlot corral, because we used to do that, we used to feed our calves out. There ain't no money in that here on a small scale, so we don't use it for that anymore, but we still call it the feedlot corral. Just, you know, because that's how it always was. We're going to be replacing most of these posts along this side here, because when stuff is in here, you can see the open spots here. That's where they reach their head through to feed. So there's a lot of pressure on these posts. And honestly, I don't know if you guys find this, if you use posts like this, but the posts aren't lasting like they used to. Even though you can see that these posts have been treated, see that they're green, they just don't last like they used to. So our job is going to be to take all of the planks off first, and then that'll not take too long. We got to saw a crowbar and blah, blah, blah. So we'll get all the planks off there, and then we're going to use the tractor to pull these posts out. And then hopefully we can use the post pounder to put new posts in without too much hand digging. But we'll see how many rocks are down in the bottom. All right, let's get this job started. It's pretty straight. Might be able to reuse that. These planks are $30 a piece.
Well, 16s are $30 a piece.
So we can reuse all the ones that aren't broken.
This way it falls off the nail. If you're too far this way, it stabs something. So you want to have it. I hit that and it can
Ah, it's like working with a scroll saw blade. No thanks. You can do that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't explain to you what this smells like since he's unearthed that. So we're gonna dig around the broken post and see if we can't hook some bolts and a chain to that and pull it out instead of digging it out all the way. Yeah, because that's an awesome thing that sometimes works. It's gonna work today, Glenn. Oh, but you're gonna have to pay me double to hang out with you while this smell is happening. Ugh. right, ready for a new post. Knott's ready for a new post. And he's gonna pull this stump out from over here. Just like he did the first one. Well, if you were counting, you probably realized that we forgot to pull a post bottom out. So we're gonna do that now. And then we gotta run for some more posts. It's looking pretty snazzy. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new posts in at $60 a piece. And we salvaged 4 of these big planks. We gotta go for some more of those planks after lunch here. And it says those ones aren't quite $30 each, but I mean, by the time we drive somewhere and get them, they'll be $30 each. So the reason why he used the smaller post last time was because that was all that was available when he redid it. And he said he's super disappointed in how they lasted anyway. I mean, they should last longer than that, treated posts. But it's gonna look great. The big nails he put in there helps to hold the board in place if he was doing it by himself. Well, I'd say that this Corral Repair deserves a 2 thumbs up. Got some cows test driving the new fence we put up. Looks like it's working good.